Hey, this is John from Freedom. Thanks for checking in. Today we've got another Excel video on sorting, and if you've ever gone through and tried to sort with the color, and you've got your alternate lines here so that people can read across, and then you go to sort A to Z, and then all the colors are messed up. So there's a way to format your cell area so that you don't have to worry about this any further. So what you do is, real quick, you go to you select all your data, and we're going to clear all the formatting that's in there right now. So no fill, and then we're going to go to conditional formatting, new rule, and we're going to use a formula to determine which cells to format down here. So since we've already got it selected, we're going to type in, and I've got it over here, we're going to type in the formula equals mod open parenthesis row open close parenthesis comma 2 close parenthesis equals 0. Now, this being a quick video, I'm not 100% up to speed on these these commands and what they actually mean and all that. I hacked this from one of the Microsoft forums, what have you, but I use this quite frequently, and so I figure if I use it, other people might need it, and it is one of these, intermediate kind of skills to have that you don't use too often, but it is nice to have in that tool belt. So in any case, and then we want to format the cells, the color that we want. So the fill, we click the fill tab if it's not already clicked. We're going to click this, get this color, hit OK, hit OK one more time, boom, done. Now, if you go here, and last time we sorted A to Z, let's sort Z to A, see what happens. Boom, all the colors stay in the same spot. So that's how you do that. It's a pretty quick and easy little trick, but it'll save you a lot of time in having to reformat colors when you're sorting rows, and if you have a lot of data especially. So if you like the video, please click a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. We try to come out with new videos every Thursday. If you have other questions, you can visit our website. Link's going to be on the screen here. And we have more resources and other links to some other apps and things of that nature. So thanks for watching. Have a great one.